Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a brand new YouTube video. Hopefully the audio is a lot better. How I make my fucking oatmeals. I've had the entire world ask me on TikTok, how do you make the oatmeals? How do you make the cream of rice? Where's the recipe? I think there's been a total of 3 people that asked me. Anyways, that's a lot of people for me not to make a single video on this. The thing is, when I say oatmeal recipe, I'm gonna put a quotation on it because you can theoretically make this with oatmeal, cream of rice, and the thing we're actually making it with today, which isn't oatmeal, but I'll show you what it is. I got the recipe right here, and we're just gonna go to the kitchen. Does that make sense to you? So the first 3 you need, okay? You need your base. That could be oatmeal, that could be cream of rice, or that could be Weetabix. You sort of need a protein powder for it to not taste like ass, for it to have high protein, and for it to be semi-sweet. You need yogurt, okay? That can be Greek yogurt, unflavored, it could be vanilla flavored, whatever the fuck, I don't care. Or optional, you need eggs or egg whites. You can switch this out with these 2. You can add yogurt with these 2, with one of them, whatever you want to do. And then this is your fruit section, and this is your syrup section. 3 sections. 3. You guys following? This cannot be easier. For the recipe, I might do a transition right now where everything magically appears. Bowl placed right there. You need your protein powder. Actually trying to get rid of it. I'm not sponsored, I just got it for free. Your yogurts. So Greek yogurt right there. Okay, for syrup, I use this. It's called Synfit, right? Maple syrup, they have other flavors too. The thing is, it's filled with artificial bullshit, but at this point in my prep, I do not care. So again, 0 calories, filled with artificial bullshit, but you can go crazy with this. So we'll use that up as well. You do need peanut butter to make it taste semi-good. So for your peanut butter, you're just gonna go with any sort of creamy peanut butter. And then lastly, we're gonna use this. You can use Nutella. Nutella is gonna be a really, really high calorie substitute if you're bulking. This I found for $3 at a clearance section. The macros are phenomenal. 20 grams is only 70 calories. Frozen blueberries, frozen strawberries, right? We also had a banana. Let me just double check I got everything. The last one is the surprise one. This is Weetabix. This is gonna be your cutting cheat code, all right? People talk about, oh, go buy cream of rice, go make cream of rice. Cream of rice is good, digests quick, low calorie. Sure, cream of rice is good, tastes like booty juice. Real quick shout out to Jacked Eats on TikTok and on Instagram. He actually put me onto this, but you can get 3 boxes of Weetabix at your local Walmart for $10. And you might think, oh, like are the macros good? What the fuck do you think? What are you talking about? Are the macros good? Yes. For 53 grams, which is 3 biscuits, which is usually the max I'll ever do. It's only 180 calories, okay? You get only 1 gram of fat. You get 42 grams of carbs with only 2 of them being added sugar. You get 7 grams of fiber in that, and you get 6 grams of protein. This is phenomenal. Very, very good product. I would 100% recommend it. Again, shout out Jacked Eats who put me onto Weetabix. You can use oatmeal, you can use cream of rice. We're using Weetabix. We needed 60 grams of Weetabix, which is 3 of them. For cream of rice, Weetabix, and oatmeal, you're not gonna use boiling water. You're just gonna put a slight bit of water, and I'll show you guys what I mean with slight. There's barely any water in the bottom of that bowl. That's all you need. You're gonna pop that into the microwave. Give it exactly a minute. You're gonna grab some salt, and you're gonna trust me on this. You're gonna grab salt, and you're gonna grab cinnamon. So once it comes out, it's gonna look like a mess. It'll pretty much look like that, like mud. Now you're gonna mix that up. The perfect consistency. That's what you're looking for. Not too runny, but definitely a little bit sloppy. If you know, you know. I think that should be 40, right? Nope, not even close. Once you put the protein in, mix it up before you add anything else. You don't want it to be too clumpy and hard to mix. If you're trying to make it more macro-friendly, just don't use 40 grams of protein. Or don't use as much Weetabix as I did, because most of the calories come from carbs in this. We said 150 grams of Greek yogurt. Again, I would not usually do that much. A good Greek yogurt ratio to go with would be about like maybe 60 grams. Let's do 150, and 150 is quite a lot of Greek yogurt. Like what I just put in was 50 grams. At this point, if you wanted to do a lot less Greek yogurt, let's say if you wanted to do 30 grams of Greek yogurt, I would probably crack an egg in there, a full egg. And since we're baking it, you don't have to worry about, oh, I'm gonna get salmonella, or like it's gonna be a raw egg. We're gonna cook it regardless. So if you do egg whites, then perfect. If you do a whole egg, then perfect. It's a much lighter color now. We're gonna add our salt. Don't be scared with the salt. We're gonna have so many sweet things on top, like the peanut butter and stuff. I usually am very generous with the salt. And then we're gonna give it a dash of cinnamon as well. A generous dash of cinnamon. Then you're gonna go with your banana, because the banana, we're gonna cut it up with this one. We're gonna put it underneath this. Doesn't really have to be mashed up. All you want to make sure you do is cover the bananas. I'm just gonna finish my pack. Yeah, it's very little, but it's all I have, so that's a lot better. That's what I'm talking about. Perfect. Spread them out slightly. That is good to go in the microwave. The microwave itself is pretty hard to operate, especially when you want to make a cakey. Pardon how dirty this shit is. I share my place with 5 other people. I'm not gonna be the one cleaning it. Can y'all see this? That looks crazy to me, right? Right in the middle of a microwave, you're gonna set it for exactly a minute. Let that do its thing. So when you bring it out the microwave, really be careful because obviously it's scorching hot. Oh my God. This looks amazing because the middle still looks pretty runny. The outside is all cakey. That looks phenomenal so far. I don't really want to play with it, but the outside, cakey. The inside, nice and runny. That's crazy. I'll grab a generous chunk because it's pretty low cal. Perfect. How much did I say I wanted from the peanut butter? I didn't say I want too much, yeah. Just 10 grams. Ooh. Good. Lastly, this Sin Fit, put a nice dollop right in the middle. I don't care about none of that carnivore bullshit. Eat this. Do you see that? That is crazy. All right, we're gonna go in the room and show you guys this up close. Just check this bowl. That's insane. I don't really want to mix the top, but I'll include the macros somewhere. I'll put it up here or something, but my goodness, that's the entire video. It's been like 3 minutes and I've already devoured half of it while watching Good Mythical Morning, so. All right, we are ready to go to the gym. This is pretty much our every single day fit. I never switch it up, all black, Nike Tech. You know, nice little fleece Sherpa looking jacket. We got our sweatpants, classic bag, and fun fact, my neck hurts. So right here, I might have tweaked something in my neck, but that sure hurts. We'll see if I'm able to even hit shoulder, but yeah, y'all wish me luck, man. Pretty flat. Granted, I just did an hour of cardio, so I'm not gonna be looking good, but we're not looking terrible. It could be a lot worse. Here we have, all right, here we have lunch. Close up, I'm watching Good Mythical Morning. Shout out Red and Link. I've literally been watching these guys every single day while I'm doing cardio, while I'm eating. Like, it's my binge thing right now. Here is the complete bowl. Honestly, this does not look bad. I'm gonna get this out the way so you guys can see underneath it, but yeah, we got some yams here. Look at that. This does not look bad at all. I'm gonna munch into this and I'll catch you guys right after.